Hello, everyone, and welcome to Math for Thursday. Oh boy, this is March 19 now, isn't it? I'm borrowing John's book one more time. And today we're going to be starting with the first lesson here in Chapter 9, 9.1. Again, beginning of a chapter is not very hard. You can read down here the little directions that it says for the teacher, because I think you guys can figure those out. Now, it says to find classroom items to compare longer and shorter with these two. Of course, you're not here in the classroom, so just go find other things at your house that you can kind of draw a picture of. It doesn't have to be a perfectly detailed picture, and you can try tracing it. The challenge with tracing it is that it might get bigger. You know, when you trace cubes, actually what you usually trace is bigger than the cubes themselves. So you might want to just put a mark here for where it starts and a mark for where it ends, and then draw it in between there. I think you can probably figure out a way to do that that still follows the directions down here. On this page, order 3 pieces of yarn from shortest to longest. You're not really going to have the yarn. You're going to have to imagine. See this empty space in here? Imagine that empty space for the 3rd piece of yarn, and you imagine a piece of yarn that will have this red yarn be shorter and this yellow yarn be longer. Down here, again, these are going to be pretty easy. Draw 3 lines in order from shortest to longest. Longest to shortest down here. You guys can figure that out. 3 crayons. You might not have 3 crayons that are all different lengths. Again, choose other things around your house that will kind of fit in these spaces, but notice shortest on top, longest on the bottom. Again, here though, longest on top, shortest on the bottom. The hot problem down here, remember you have to think. You might need to take some guesses and then check them. But again, I don't think this will be very hard. Down here on the 4th page, remember 4 pages per day in this book, right here, you choose instead of 3 objects, 4 objects, and you're drawing the actual object. So you're not going to say, okay, a pencil, and okay, a paper clip, and some sticky notes, and then just randomly draw them. You're going to be actually finding things that kind of fit into those spaces. So that can be a little bit of a challenge because you can't choose something like your leg because it's not going to fit. It's got to be something that's actually going to fit in these spaces. Another hot problem. This is one where you'll need to be doing a little thinking. Remember, sometimes with hot problems, it's helpful if you go ahead and draw pictures of what you're trying to figure out. Then down here, you're going to mark which ribbon is the shortest. That's pretty easy. This hot problem, though, this is why I'm going to want you guys to find a way to send me a picture of this page. So when you're all finished with this page, if mom or dad are home or a brother or sister, they can probably help you. Take a picture of it with a phone or a tablet and send it to my email address. Your parents have my email address. It's in your instructions. And you can email it to me, and then I can check this over and I can see, how did we do on this one? Especially if you did some extra drawing to figure it out. I want to see the extra drawing that you did to figure it out. That helps me know what you were thinking about. Help yourself figure it out. Have a good time and enjoy spring break next week. Bye-bye.